Hello, welcome to this Lansweeper vulnerability video. Today we're taking a look at the Adobe monthly update report. Now, Adobe releases new updates every single month, similar to how Patch Tuesday works. And in those updates, they release or they disclose which of their products have gotten updates and which vulnerabilities in those updates have been fixed. Now, in this specific example, we're taking a look at Adobe Acrobat. So Adobe Acrobat in the recent month had a couple of security fixes. And with this specific report that you can see right now, we can give you an overview of each of the machines that you have in your environment, along with which Adobe Acrobat installation or version that they have, and also what the fixed version is that fixes all the security issues that Adobe has disclosed recently. Now, alongside all of the information that I just mentioned, you can also get a lot more information if you want to. All you need to do is head over to one of these machines. They're hyperlinked, as you can see. And I already get a little preview, but if I click on it here, then you can see the entire summary view of that device. And if you want to get all of the other details, you can by going into the config tabs or software tabs. You can get all of the details that you want on your specific devices. And you can make sure that they're fully up to date. Now, if you want to grab this report, all you need to do is head over to our report library, which is on our website, or you can also find it in our blog post that covers the Adobe monthly patch. Once you're on the page, you can see here that we have a short description, but also down at the bottom, the report that you can easily copy and add into your Lansweeper installation. Now, if you do not have a Lansweeper installation just yet and you want to try it out, you can do that for free. You can grab Lansweeper, install it in your environment, do a scan, grab the report, import the report, and then you can have an overview, just like I've shown before, of all of your devices that are vulnerable to the latest security issues that are disclosed by Adobe. I think that will be it, and I'll see you next time.